Ypsilanti, where 4 people were briefly detained when the FBI raided a home this morning. The Michigan Attorney General's office says warrants were also executed in Ann Arbor and Canton, but they're being tight-lipped about the reason behind them all. Our Jack Springate is trying to find those answers. He joins us from Ypsilanti with the latest.
Well, an advocacy group that was central in Gaza war protests at the University of Michigan campus claims these raids targeted pro-Palestinian protesters, and they made those claims just as quickly as they rallied to this very spot to support them. Dana Nessel's office confirmed federal, state, and local law enforcement agencies were involved in this operation, but ICE wasn't one of them. They told me over the phone that these were search warrants. While 4 people were put in handcuffs at this Ypsilanti residence, the AG's office says law enforcement released them within 15 minutes and they were never under arrest. Tahrir Coalition claimed in a statement that these searches were carried out against Gaza war protesters and that 2 other people were detained and then released during a search in Ann Arbor. They claimed law enforcement took electronics and personal belongings from both searches while also questioning the people who lived there. A group quickly gathered outside the Ypsilanti raid, responding to a social media call for action by Tahrir Coalition and Safe Umish. The Ypsilanti Police Department issued a statement saying they were on scene for crowd control. The Ann Arbor Police Department also wrote that they were involved and that the investigation is related to reported crimes that were committed in Ann Arbor. Both agencies reiterated that immigration enforcement was not involved. The AG's office told me just moments ago that these search warrants were not related to protest activity or the Diag encampment at the University of Michigan. Now, the raid here in Ypsilanti, it happened just south of Eastern Michigan University. It's unclear right now whether those who were living here are students at the university, but according to a couple neighbors that I spoke to who didn't want to go on camera, they say this is a common street for off-campus living. For now, reporting in Ypsilanti, I'm Jack Springate, CBS News Detroit.